So today's the last day, day 6. We're having our cafe and got quesito. How do you like those?
This is delicious.
Nice and warm. How do you like them?
It's by far the best pastry I've ever had.
Oh.
And the owner was really nice. He owned the bakery for 20 years, he said, right here in Canovenas. Really nice guy. And it's a good bakery. I can't wait to come back and have more pastries.
Amen. And you got 2 salvations there, right?
And he said he couldn't wait for us to come back. He wants to show us. And it was funny. It's funny, while we were there, he gathered us all around and he took a picture of the group. And it was really cool.
Yeah, that's really awesome.
No.
Yeah, send me the photo. I'll post it here.
He didn't.
He didn't send it? Okay.
We probably should have asked for it, but I don't know.
This is day 6 and it's just getting started. So we'll see how wonderful the day holds for us. You gonna smuggle some quenepas in?
Oh no. I go for it. Thank you.
These guys are getting quenepas to take back home. We're here getting some coffee trees, some quenepas. Whoa. Yeah. And take a look at the greens here. There's bananas, plantains. This is Irma's backyard. There's so many things, but these are the coffee beans. Look at that. She grows her own coffee. Look at this here. That's pretty awesome.
You're gonna get a sock? Yeah, he took a sock.
Let's see. What do you guys got?
He has a whole crate of them. He keeps them in like a chicken coop. There you go.
Explain what you're doing.
Oh.
Hey! Oh! Whoa! I got him by the claws.
Look at this guy.
That's for lunch, guys.
This is my pet.
So
His name's Harry.
every Friday they have a boxing match out here. All the boys come for boxing.
That's what
And then the
Anybody else wanna hold him?
he raises roosters to fight. They do rooster fighting.
They're way more fierce.
Is legal? Legal?
I was trying to get him.
He got me too.
Wow.
Yeah. Honey stitches.
Call 911.
Everybody has to prove they're not John by picking one up.
Yeah, everyone has to pick one up.
Okay. Down for life.
Just grab.
You take the worst it looks for you. Just go.
Just grab it.
Just go in from the behind. Grab it. Right there. You got it. You got it.
Just let them grab you. It's the quickest way.
Yeah, grab that one.
There you
Show them
go.
how to
Grab
do it, Yuri. Show them how to do it.
You want him to come walk to you?
Oh, that one.
he ain't fierce.
Grab him.
Shake hands.
Introduce yourself.
There we go.
Ow! Oh, he got me. He got. Oh, ow! He got me twice.
Hey, you got him though.
He got me twice.
Oh,
All right, who's next?
oh
Let me
no.
show you how you grab something.
Who's next?
Man.
From him to us. He had a whole chicken coop full of these. They're not in water or anything. They're just like that, and he has food for them. But this was a generous gift on his part. Crabs aren't cheap. And he gave us mangoes. He gave us a whole thing of plantains.
That one's got a
just
big.
Out of gratitude. So, and he was any fruit or vegetable he had, he was trying to give us to load us up. So, he's so grateful.
Generally.
You just hold them like generally.
And pet them.
I don't go for
Where's the sock when you need one? Yeah, it's not. What are you doing?
You see one is big, one is small.
Hey, you want me to grab one and I'll hand it to you?
Looking for the sharp one.
You know, drew blood, Craig?
These ones you can grab on the sides of the shell. You just got to hold tight so they don't push
Those
off.
are the ones that eat sand, and then they
Yeah, they're like little
bacteria
sand. They're
and
sand
spit out the
crabs.
sand.
He had
See,
corn
that's his mouth
kernels
right
for
there.
their food in water, soaking in water.
Is it there? So they'll eat like
Yes, a
algae.
mustache.
Hey, you keep that away from me. I'm trying to show things, okay?
Grab it like this.
Yeah, but look, his claw can come all the way back.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I was trying to hold it there and just reaching
So
for
just
me.
grab him by his claws. Who wants to grab him? See? It's easy.
Kyle, you want to try it?
This feels like Revival Survival. Only
Yeah, let's take this home with me.
Are these on the list?
Piercings.
Are these on the approved list?
You already put that in your backpack.
Put them in your pocket.
we were gonna get flagged.
You got it too.
Oh, that one's not doing so well. Which one? This one? Yeah.
Mine only has a large claw.
They usually all have
you
one.
grab
They have
them
one
by-
that grab with the
Grab
other
him
one.
from
they
the
shred.
shell.
Can you grab him by the middle of the claw, like the middle of his arm, like where his elbow?
Yeah, yeah, you can grab him like right here.
I'd grab him by the back though.
But yeah, you can grab him. Yeah, he's got a little bit of a boo boo on the side. So see the boo boo?
Ooh, that's reaching out. Oh, he has a mustache.
He doesn't look so good. Why is he brown unlike the other ones?
He's got a
Are you
boo boo.
profiling?
Is that the brain? Yes.
What's wrong with this one? He's different.
He's brown.
See, if you hold them upside down, they'll go to sleep.
Just get away from me.
Hush, little crabby, don't you cry.
There you go.
They make good hats.
Okay.
This one here, I'll get you a better one. This one's got an injury.
Show the ones inside.
It's a crab fight, ready? Let's see. It's like thumb war.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Which crab's gonna win?
There we go.
That's a
So
huge
his name's
crab.
Pedro. He's a really nice guy. He's a little pinchy. Yeah. And they're pretty strong. When you feel them push them, it's like, man, they got some force to them.
That's its eyes.
Yeah, those are the eyes right there.
It's got green eyes. That one is chora. I don't know. Chora,
They reach in there, grab you on, man. They can't hurt you.
Yeah, that's-
Oh, he only has one eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He got grabbed by another crab, probably.
This little thing is a big help. It reminds me so much. The smell is really nostalgic. To keep the mosquitoes away. This here is a pilon, and you would put plantains, smash it, and make mofongo with it.
Is it over there?
Yeah, he has a cool little garden.
Okay.
Yeah, he has everything growing there.
Sweet.
But those are all kept like in these big old wire cages.
How's the mango, Garrett?
No, but it's good, but strong.
Really breed.
Yeah.
What's that?
But really good.
Breed.
Really good. We are at Plaza de Americas, and we're gonna be sewing here until it's time to go to the airport. This mall is way busier and bigger than the mall that we were at yesterday, so I'm excited.
Hey, let's get over there to the shop. Because people probably don't really like to be bothered eating. I don't know.
Yeah.
So how's it been going so far?
Oh, they found me.
Who's that over there?
Garrett got lost, and he said, I gotta hang up and buy some honey.
We just had 5.
5 for the group. So 17 for all English. And we started off with
84.
4. So somebody do the math.
Can we check that?
Can we check that again?
Yeah, 84. Yeah.
I thought it was 82 yesterday.
Yeah,
No, but just warning, Hugo got 2.
Oh, that's right.
So we're not counting the 2. So 84,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Are we?
I do one.
I'm getting 1. Double. Almost double.
Dude,
what
I
you
was
guys-
thinking of that number when I was, man, if we can get like 100,
Yeah.
101 or something.
What's the number?
That's 101 and we're flying back to Florida. Hey, man.
Well, we still got the
Come
airport.
on,
bro. Still got the airport.
You got the airport.
Yeah,
Have your
we got
mail
the
and stuff.
airport. So just in the mall today, we're on our way to the airport, but we got over 100 salvations on our whole week here, and now we're on our airport, and we're gonna continue until we get to Orlando. We are at the airport. And we made it past security. Just getting everything ready, putting it in. We're almost home.